is of use of AI and ICT for teaching, learning, and research in higher education, you have to prepare a micro teaching lecture of 15 minutes. Any skill you use of the 10 skills of micro teaching, any skill, any one skill you choose, you prepare a lecture on the topic use of AI and ICT in teaching, learning, and research. This is a broad theme. Any sub-theme related to this topic will do. You have to prepare it. Any one skill on any one skill of the micro teaching, you have to video record it. You have to upload that video recording on YouTube and you have to share the YouTube link to us. फिर से मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि माइक्रो टीचिंग जो है, माइक्रो टीचिंग के जो 10 स्किल है उसमें से कोई एक स्किल लेना है आपको। और जो हमारे रिफ्रेशर कोर्स का जो मेजर थीम है वो है यूज ऑफ एआई एंड आईसीटी इन टीचिंग, लर्निंग एंड रिसर्च इन हायर एजुकेशन। तो ये ब्रॉड थीम हो गया। इसमें से कोई भी एक सब थीम पे, मान लो जैसा यूज ऑफ चैट जीपीटी इन assignments, या use of some AI tool in analysis, quantitative analysis, anything like use of ICT, information communication technology, any theme आप उसमें से कोई भी एक चूज करिए, उसके ऊपर माइक्रो टीचिंग आप आपकी बनाइए। माइक्रो टीचिंग की जो 10 स्किल है उसमें से कोई भी एक स्किल लीजिए। आपका खुद का यूट्यूब चैनल रहना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर आप अपलोड करिए वो वीडियो और उसका यूट्यूब का लिंक हमें भेजिए। एनी क्यूरीज नाउ? किसी के कोई प्रश्न है?
नो सर, इट इज क्लियर। ओके
ओके
सर, एक बात थी।
जी
अगर जो यूट्यूब लिंक सर मुझे काम दिया गया है वो क्लिक करने का।
मैडम 2 मिनट 79 रोल नंबर को बोलने दीजिए। यस सर, बोलिए आप।
सर, मुझे काम दिया गया है वो कलेक्ट करने का। अगर मुझे जो यूट्यूब लिंक प्राप्त हो रही है, अगर
हाँ।
वो उस व्यक्ति के नाम से चैनल का नहीं है या है, तो वो मुझे देखना है या आप
नहीं,
डिसाइड कर?
हम लोग देख लेंगे, हम लोग देख लेंगे।
ओके सर, ओके।
यस, रोल नंबर 66।
Yes, sir. Can I make the AI techniques in use in agriculture, sir? I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
specializing in
yeah, yeah,
economics, no, sir?
yeah. You can, you can.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes,
Sir, I
ma'am.
already have a YouTube channel called Plant Science for Everyone. It is not in my name. So,
No, that will do. That will do. That will do. It is not anything specific that you will require to create your own channel. If you have already a channel of your college or of any research association or a research group or teaching association, on that just you have to upload it.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
Sir, on 3rd Jan, I was absent. So what I will do?
I will let you know, ma'am. I will let you know.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
सर, ये वीडियो सबको बनाना है क्या?
सबको बनाना है। इसके लिए मार्क्स है और ये जब तक कि वीडियो हमारे पास में आएगा नहीं, आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स हम इश्यू नहीं करेंगे।
अभी मेरा सब्जेक्ट सोशियोलॉजी, तो उसके ऊपर में एआई टूल्स यूज करके करना है ना सर मुझे?
यस यस।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
दोनों।
Thank you.
Any more queries? Okay, so resource person has joined, Dr. Ramesh Manza sir. So on behalf of UGC Malviya Mission Teachers Training Center, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, I welcome our today's speaker, Dr. Ramesh Manza, who is heading Department of Computer Science and Information Technology of our university. And I would now request the concerned roll number to give a brief introduction of Dr. Manja.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Professor.
Yeah, good morning. Good afternoon.
Sorry, good afternoon. It is my privilege to introduce today's guest of honor, Dr. Manja Ramesh Raibhan. It is a very difficult job for me because sir, as having a 46 pages CV, so it is difficult task me to uh, which program or which lectures I have to focus, but it is bit confusion for me. But I will try to level best to focus on the uh, um, some activities or some lectures or some details about sir. So sir has completed MSc, PhD, NET, set in computer science. Now he is a head of the Department of Computer Science, and now he is a professor. Great. And sir's professional teaching have number of lectures, and sir have completed five refresher course from various universities, and one orientation course is also from the same our university, that is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Sir deliver so many talks. I think there are number in 28 talks, delivered lectures, 20 lectures, and position now heading sir is BAMU's ad hoc board member of MSc CS and MSc IT from 2015 to 2017. Member of Special Shell Advisory Board of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. And there are so many responsibilities, sir, is uh, on sir's shoulder. So, life member of Cloud of Computing Connectivity, IEEE membership electronic, IEEE engineering in the medicine and the biology society and membership, IEEE transaction on medical imaging, IEEE biometric council, IEEE nanotechnology council, IEEE sensor council. So, sir, in sir's credit, there are so many activities and so many honors. Now, sir, Institute of Electronics and Communication Engineers, New Delhi. Sir is a fellow of this institute. Sir has delivered so many keynote addresses. Area of specialization, that is biomedical image processing, computer vision, remote sensing, nano robotics, MEMS, microprocessor, enabled networking. Sir is a member of editorial board like MSc IT Board of Examination Chairman, editorial board member of International Journal of Computer Science and Information Technology. Sir has received awards MSc Computer Science exam rank 3 merit award by the Vivekananda College, Aurangabad. Now it is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Shikshak Pratibha Shikshak Pratibha Award on 5th September 2008 by the Journalism, Department of Journalism, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Sir is a member of Board of Studies, Computer Science, Solapur University, Solapur. Ad hoc board in the networking and multimedia during 2011 to 2013. Details of employment. Sir has worked in Vivekananda College, Aurangabad, or now Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. List of publications. There are so many publications in his credit. The number is just I am scrolling up. I think more than 100, more than 117. This conferences sir has attended. I think just Wait. More than 100 it is also. No. More 134 conferences sir has attended, and in his credit there are 11 books. Sir has completed many projects on various subjects. Now the 16 projects are ongoing. So under the able guidance of Manza sir, 7 students have awarded the PhD, and now 9 students are working under his able guidance. Now, 2 foreign students also working under sir's guidance. 16 MPhil have been awarded so far, and now the so many students are working under sir's guidance. So sir also guided to the very many students for the Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship, and they are also working under sir's guidance. It was very tough job for me to introduce today's guest of honor, because the 46 pages CV in my hand, so it is very difficult to focus on all the activities, lectures. So let me uh, conclude, and I would like to request Dr. Manza sir, please deliver a lecture and insightful address to us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be part of this course. Today I'll cover the e-content development, teaching, learning and evaluation. In that I'll focus on Google Classroom and followed by OBS Studio, which is used to record the videos, and at the end I'll give the demo of OBS Studio also. Meanwhile, wherever you wanted to have some clarification, you can interrupt me at any moment. We will discuss and try to simplify the concepts. If you have already used Google Classroom, then consider this as revision. And for participants, those who have not yet used, maybe get more aware about this Google Classroom, which is open source tools for teaching, learning and evaluation. This is the reference book which I have used to prepare the slide. Open source tools for e-content development, teaching, learning and evaluation. The points which we will discuss today are the prerequisite for e-content development. Then in actual process of e-content development, what we need are Gmail account, Google Classroom platform, open broadcast software, OBS Studio, through which we record the video. Then the combination or integration of Google Classroom with OBS Studio for teaching and learning, where the teacher will post the material and which will get access by the students or participants, and using the same platform, how teacher can post the test, examination, etc. and evaluation process is happened. At the end, we will also try to cover the same Google Classroom, how it is used using mobile phone. So the prerequisite are we need to have laptop or computer system with camera, Windows operating system, then the syllabus of a course whose content we are going to develop, and PPT of the course. These are 4 basic requirements necessary to follow the process of open source tools for e-content development. So we'll start with e-content development by assuming we have syllabus, we have PPTs, we have either laptop or computer with camera. Now first thing is to open the Gmail account. If we have already Gmail account, then please skip few steps. Directly we can start with Google Classroom. But here I have assumed you don't have Gmail account too. So few steps I'll cover to create Gmail account. For that we have to open the Explorer. Here Firefox I have used. Then need to type gmail.com and press the enter key. The next window will come where we have to start with the steps called create the account, sign in to continue to Gmail. When we say create an account, then select option myself. Then we need to fill the information details about the Google account which we are going to create, which consists of first name, last name, the username. Using that our account will get created. Then password, the same password will confirmed, which carrying 8 or more characters with mix of letters, numbers, symbols, etc. For example, here for demonstration purpose, the Gmail account of teacher is created. First name is teacher, last name is CS, means computer science. Username is teacherbamu@gmail.com. Using the same email account teacherbamu@gmail.com, the successive slide is used to give the demo how the teacher will access the Google Classroom, followed by the password has entered. Need to press the next button, which will create the account with the details which we have been filled up. Now we need to verify the phone number. So need to type the phone number and press next key. The phone number will receive the message for confirmation 6-digit verification code as text message that we have to type over here and say verify. The moment we press the button verify, next window will come where some other details we need to submit, which is alternative email address, date of birth, and gender. So alternative email address for recovering, which is optional actually, we'll use it to keep the account secure. Here the month, date and year as per date and followed by gender information is entered. Now need to press next button. Now we have to press skip to skip the some optional details and need to accept the privacy and terms condition by going through all the steps. Finally say I agree. The moment we press I agree, the next window will come where we have to say next button. Now here we have to select the default option, default, compatible, compact. Out of them default option, press the OK button. Here account of teacher bamu@gmail.com has been created, and the initial opening of that account will look like this, where inbox, shared, snooze, send message, etc. This we will use to create the Google Classroom, teacherbamu@gmail.com. Now using that, we can start the communication by sending or receiving the emails. The same steps which just recently we have followed to create for teacher account, same number of steps we can follow to create the account of students, because for demo purpose we need this minimum 2 Gmail accounts. For demonstration purpose and communication between these two entities to show they are sharing the resources of teaching learning, minimum we need to have these two accounts. So here teacherbamu@gmail.com was the one account. Second is studentcs.bamu@gmail.com for student account. So these two accounts we will use in successive slide for the demonstration purpose. Now we'll move to Google Classroom. For that, we have to first log in to teacherbamu@gmail.com account. Once we log in, this screen will open by entering the email followed by respective password. Now here in this window, for Google app, we need to press this Google Apps 9 magic dots, which consist of set up inbuilt apps of Google. The moment we press this 9 magic dots, the list of different apps available with Google will come. We need to scroll down to reach to Google Classroom. So here we have a Google Classroom as one of the tool of Google for the classroom platform. If we click on that Google Classroom, this window will come with the default Gmail account through which we have opened. So we need to press continue button. Here the classroom will help us for communication, which will save the time, which will help us to make the content organized, and many more. Now in that we have two options, student and teacher. If we press here plus button, it is showing create or join your first class. Create option is for teacher and join the class is the option for student. So press that plus button, which is another magic symbol to create or join the class. So join class option for student and create class for teacher. Appropriate option we need to select depends upon which role currently we are performing. It is asking to enter the class code and need to join the class. Here it is expected that student should know that class code which is shared by the teacher. Sometime link can also be shared directly to join. If we are teacher, then we will select the second option, create class. The moment we create a class, the classroom with school students window will come where we have to tick mark this. I have read and understand all the details about the notice and I'm using that classroom for school students. This we need to tick mark, which will look like this, and press the continue button. After that, the next window will come where we have to fill the details about the classroom, like name of the class, sections means division, subject for which the classroom we are going to configure, and the room which is optional. So for example, here MSc Computer Science is the name of class, section is first semester, subject biomedical image processing, room number 10. After filling all this required necessary details, we need to press create. This is the process of creating Google Classroom as per the specification which we have provided. Then here the classroom has created with the name MSc Computer Science first semester. This class code has come. In earlier case, when student will select the option to join, then this is the code which teacher has to share with the students to join. Here we have name of the class is semester. Along with that, other four major options through which we will play are stream, classwork, people, and grade. In successive slide, details about all these four options we will see one by one. So currently we are in stream. In stream option, it shows the name of class, semester, and class code. Whereas in classwork, we have option Google Calendar through which we prepare a calendar of delivery as well as schedule the meeting or schedule the material sharing dates, time, etc. Class drive folder through which we can upload the materials. In addition to that, there is another plus magic symbol to create various types of classwork materials which we need to assign to the class, like create assignments and question, use topic to organize classwork into modular or units, etc. Then in people, there are two options, teacher followed by students. Here in teacher, more than one co-teachers can be joined. And in students, we can join any n number of students. To join them, we need to press this plus symbol and enter the email to whom we wanted to send the invitation. For co-teacher as well as for students, through this option also we can send the email request to the students and asking them to join into the respective Google Classroom. So in people we have these two options. Whereas through grade option, whatever evaluation we used to do, unit test, MCQs, assignments, submission, etc. For them, the grade sheet is used to prepare simultaneously. So at the end of that semester, the result can be possible to tabulate. Now we come with the main menu to verify the different classes. Here on left side, three horizontal line we have. Those are main menus which gives the information about various classes, calendar, etc. And here currently we have only one like that. If we have already created multiple classrooms through the same email account, then the list of those classes it will show. To invite a teacher, we need to select this invitation teacher option, plus option, which is there in people tab. The moment we click, it will ask us to enter the email or name. For example, here the email name is typed Manza Ramesh. So it has come the email address that we have to select. Like that, multiple we can select one after another. And once the list of email ID or IDs are selected, we need to press invite. So from this current Google account, email invitation will send to all the emails of teacher whose list we have been selected over here. So teacher is inviting by these steps. So invitation we have sent to this Gmail account manzaramesh@gmail.com. The option in our current Google platform will show like this: manzaramesh@gmail.com in bracket invited. This will remain the same till the corresponding teacher who has invited will not accept the invitation. Till that it will show like this. It seems we have invited, but not yet that corresponding teacher has joined, accepted. From here status we can able to understand. Now the same thing we can verify in the recipient's Gmail account, that the invitation has arrived and how it look like and what the steps recipient has to do to accept the invitation. So first step is to do the logout from the teacher Bamu at the Gmail account through which we have invited, and logged into manzaramesh@gmail.com to verify the status of invitation. So once we logged in into manzaramesh@gmail.com, here it seems like this, and in inbox we have teacher CS invitation in inbox. So this invitation to co-teacher from the classroom name MSc Computer Science first semester. If you open, it will seems like this: hello from the sender and its name of the class, and the type of invitation is co-teacher. Below on the same page, if we scroll, it seems the join option, teacher CS MSc Computer first sem join. So the recipient has to press the join. Then it will ask to do the accept. So we need to press accept. These steps have joined the teacher who have received the invitation of co-teacher of the Google Classroom. Now, after acceptance, how the status get changed. So we'll start with the stream option, Google Classroom, people. See here, in people option, earlier in front of this name in bracket invited was there. That invite is started indicate request has sent but still not has accepted. But now after acceptance, the invited status has changed and only name of the co-teacher is there, and it seems it has joined. Similarly, same option we get with student also. So here main menu to check the other classes, like in this case we have MSc Computer Science, MSc Information Technology semester 2, MPhil Computer Science semester 2, MSc Computer Science semester 2, and so on. These many classes are created using the same account. Now we have option through which we can send the email to co-teacher, we can remove the co-teacher, and we can make the teacher as owner. Like currently we have teacher CS as owner, same thing we can hand over to the co-teacher, and he will be the owner of that particular Google Classroom. This option we have in these three magic dots which are there in front of co-teacher name. Email, we can communicate through email, send the email. We can remove the co-teacher and we can make the owner of that co-teacher. Three options are there. Now we'll see how to send the invitation to student. So for that we have to logged out from the current account and logged into the teacher bamu@gmail.com. Reopen the Google Classroom. So for that we have to click on, after login, click on Google Apps, come to Classroom option, click, it will reopen and look like this. Select the name of appropriate class if there are more than one. Then the four major tabs come: Stream, Classroom, People, Grades. For invitation to the students from owner of that classroom, we have to go to People option. And here invite students or give them the class code. Either any one way we can help to join the students. Now we will see how to invite. So need to press on this plus button to invite the students. A window will come where we have to enter the email or name, and one or multiple email we can select, like here students.bamu@gmail.com is the account we have selected for demo purpose. So that we will enter, or we can enter the list if you wanted to invite multiple at the same time. Press the invite button. The invitation procedure of the student is going on, is indicated by this particular status. See, the same thing has appeared below student tab, where student.bamu@gmail.com as an email ID to whom we have sent the invitation, and status is invited. He has to also join the same way, like co-teacher has joined. We have here the option to process, like if we click on the email ID, the options are email or remove. In case of teacher, there were three options. We can send the email, we can remove the co-teacher, or we can make the owner. For student, we have two options: email for communication, or we can remove that student from the classroom. We also used to sort the list of students which are currently joined based first name or last name. Alphabetically, it will help to sort. For that, we have a symbol here, option A to Z, AZ. So either by first name or last name, alphabetically, the list of currently joined student will sorted, rearranged. Now we'll reopen the classroom of teacher by entering the credential, login name, password, etc. Click on 9 magic dots. Help to open the Google Classroom out of the list of apps available. This is a reopen window. Class name is MSc Computer Science with tab Stream, Classroom, People, Grade. Now we'll see the detail option available with classrooms. through which we can integrate the materials. We can upload the syllabus, PowerPoint, videos, references, etc. So for that, we have to click on the classroom, classwork. On classwork, the options like create, calendar and class drive folder. Out of them, we will see the create option first. Here it has shown the drive tab option through which we can drop the file. It will open through my drive. We have new folder, share, get shareable link, add shortcut to the drive. We can use move to, add, steered, we rename, change the color, download, remove, search within that classroom are the options. Hmm? Through Google Calendar, we can schedule the delivery. Now we'll go with create option. For that, need to click on classwork tab, then use this plus sign with labeled as create tab. If we click, see the option of material assignment. We can post, we can give the quiz assignment, we can give the questions, class material, reuse post, topics, etc. For example, if we click on topic, so it will ask us to add the topic, name of the topic. For example, here introduction is the name of the topic. Once we entered the topic name, press edit button, add, so the topic will add it into the classroom. The adding process is going on. Here the topic named as introduction has added, and the details about the topic which we have been created can be seen by the students once we will publish the post, once we'll share the post. So we will add one more topic through this create option. Select the topic, enter the name of topic. For example, types of images is my second topic. Then press edit button. Second topic, types of images is creating. See, it has added types of images. Earlier was introduction. We can rearrange the sequence of these topics as per requirement. Left side, it is showing all topics and the two recently added topics. Now, what we can do with each topic is by pressing 3 button of respective topic, we can rename, delete, copy the link, move up and down to change the order of the list of topics. So currently we have introduction as the first topic, showing no lessons post has been created. So we will start the posting of class material. For that, we need to select this plus of create tab, then click on material option, which is under create. So the moment we enter the material, it is asking title of that material and brief description. For example, and the other options are here to the right side, post. So directly we can post to all the currently connected students. We can schedule the posting with date, time, etc. We can simply save the draft or we can discard the draft. These are other options. While posting, it is asking to all the students or some selected group of students. That option we will get for the name of class and all the students. Under topic, the current material which we are going to upload is create under which topic, either introduction, types of image, or new. Suppose we wanted to link it with introduction, so we have to click introduction. If you wanted to link with types of image, then we will select type of image. If it is other than these two, so we'll select the option called create topic. So new topic will create it for the material which we are going to upload. So we have selected introduction option for the material. Then title is basics of courses. Under introduction, title comes basics of courses. Description, like here it has shown, used to give background about biomedical images. Any description which suits to the title we can enter over here. Then we have to press post, or we can select the schedule. If we say post, it is asking about when to schedule the material to post. So date, time, it is asking. So we have to select the appropriate date as well as time for posting this material to the student's login. While entering this, the time and date must be of future. If it is something wrong while selecting, it gives the error message must be scheduled for the future, as shown over here in red color. So we need to enter this in future as compared to the current time. So like April 26, 2000 and time, and then say schedule. Once we click schedule, it is showing the option called scheduling the topic, time and date to be posted in the student login. So we have scheduled as per this demo for 3 p.m. on 26 April 2020. See here under introduction, the topic name basic. Under topic introduction, the material name is basics of course, which is scheduled to be delivered for 3 p.m. Status is showing. Like this other material also we can able to add. To add other materials, we need to come with classwork tab, then plus create. The other materials are assignment, quiz, questions, repost, etc. So we'll select the material. Then through @ADD also we can add it. That option we'll see now about @ADD. Here, what we can add through ADD is Google Drive. Any link on which the details about the particular topic is given, web link, we can add the file which is already there on your computer or laptop, or YouTube channel on which the informative videos on YouTube has shared. So we can include Google Drive, web link, file, and YouTube channel. Now we'll see how to add PPTs through this ADD option. Here I assume we have PPTs. So I'll skip how to create the PPTs. To add the PPT through @file option. So we come in tab with @file. The next window will come in which it is asking to insert the file with the help of Google Drive. Under that we have again few tabs like recently used file, upload new file, from my drive, shared the drive, or stayed. All these options are there. Next is PPT we are going to add. Since we will browse the PPT which has been saved. So browser button will help us to reach to the folder in which we have already stored the PPTs. For example, select the PPTs to add and click open. So here we have digital image processing PPTs. So I'll select, for example, introduction. We can select one or multiple two and then need to click on open button. So the file is selected here. First PPT. We can add more files also by just clicking add more file option from the same window. So as many files as you want, we can select one by one. So it seems second PPT has also been added. This way, multiple n number of PPTs we can add as per the requirement of the course. Then we need to say upload all the selected files. Currently we have 2 PPTs. Those will be uploaded by clicking on this upload button. Uploading process is going on. Here it is showing the status, uploading 1 of 2, then 2 of 2, and so on. See here, through this ADD button, we have selected the materials, files to be added, and the 2 PPT files, PowerPoint presentation, are included in the classroom. Now we can schedule when to deliver this in the student's login. So for that, select the topic under which we wanted to link this PowerPoint presentation. So we'll select under introduction. Topic name is introduction. Title and description we have to add. So title, basics of images. Description, explain the image and its respective type, is the description about these 2 PPTs. Now we have to decide the schedule for posting this to PowerPoint presentation among students. So we'll say post. It will ask to schedule by selecting appropriate date and time. Once entering the date and time, click schedule. So it is showing posting is scheduled. It has scheduled, showing basics of images, and the two PowerPoint presentation is scheduled to be delivered at 3:10 p.m. Okay, so up till now we have seen few of the materials to be add with Google Classroom. Now we'll see how to add video. For that, we will see how to make a video. So PPT we have certain materials. Now we'll see the video. Under this video, we will also see the demo, how it is going to configure, integrate PPT, audio channel and video channel for the contents. For that, we are using Open Broadcaster software, which is open source, can be downloaded from the obsproject.com website. To download that, it will ask to select the appropriate Windows platform. So we'll select Windows to download. Then say save the file. So it is downloaded in download folder. If you open download folder, it seems OBS Studio. For installation, we need to double click and it is asking to select the option to make the changes. Then press next button, part of installation steps. Again need to press the next. Now we have to choose the location for installation. Default it is coming C:\program files OBS Studio. If you wanted to modify through browse, that
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है सर।
सर आप म्यूट में हैं सर।
No, sir, not audible right now.
Hello.
जी नहीं सर अभी। नो सर।
Hello. Hello. May I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are audible. You are audible, sir.
Yes sir you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
You are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. Hope screen is also visible. So currently we are dealing with OBS Studio. The moment we open OBS Studio, it will look like this, where we have two windows, one preview and another actual. Other windows which
Your voice is breaking, sir.
other windows through which we have to play are source window and control. Am I audible now? May I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but voice is not clear, sir.
So we have two windows over here. One for preview, second for actual, third for source through which we will add audio, video and PPT, and the fourth is the control button through which we start the recording and will stop the recording. So we'll start with adding the source. For that we have to click on plus button of the source window. Then from there we have to select image slideshow. The moment we click image slideshow, next window will open through which we have to enter the slideshow name, which is optional. If you want to modify, then we can rename, otherwise we can keep this. Then press the OK by filling the source. Press OK. Once we press the OK, image slideshow source has added. So we have to add that source through this plus button. See, before pressing OK in preview button, there is no red mark. Moment we place OK, the red mark has come indicating preview has started to include PPT. So we'll click on image slideshow from the source. This window will come through which we configure how to forward and reverse the PowerPoint presentation and when to stop that. So we have two options over here. One is manual, another one is automatic. Automatic will go in forwarding direction only. After certain duration of the time, next slide will come automatically. Whereas in manual, we have to select in case of manual, hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
You
In case of manual, we'll configure with the arrow key of the keyboard to forward and reverse. The benefit of manual is while delivering, we have option to backward also. So we can go to previous slide and forward to. So that's why we'll select manual, and we can take different duration of the time for every slide. So better to select manual. So we'll take manual option. Then we have to deselect this loop. Currently it is tick mark, so that we have to deselect. This deselect will stop once we reach to the last slide called thank you. If this loop tick is keep as it is, after thank you slide, again presentation restart from the first slide. So this we have to remove. deselect the loop option. After deselecting, it will look like this. The tick mark has remove of loop option. It will help to stop at last thank you slide. Now scroll down and add the PPTs over here. To add the PPT, plus symbol we will use of this PPT window. So here we have assumed how to make the PPT as images, and we'll open directly the PPT. So this is the sample selected to include in the OBS Studio PPT. So we'll click on File menu. See here in OBS Studio, one thing please remember, directly PPT as it is in few version we cannot include. For that we have to go with converting PPT into its JPG format. So JPG format conversion is look like this, where we'll open the PowerPoint presentation, click on File menu, go to Save As option. Then in Save As, it will ask us to select the folder or file name or path where we want to save JPG version of this PPT. So the path is selected. File name is image processing introduction as JPG. Now we'll select file format JPG. JPG file format is the must or basic requirement of OBS Studio to convert PPTs into JPG format. So every slide of PPT seems like one image, and then say save. So it will save PPTs as JPG images. After clicking on save, it is also asking to convert all slides into JPG. So we have to select all slides. So PPT has been converted into JPG format. Now we'll open and check it as in JPG format or not. So we'll go into the path folder where it has stored, and my every slide becomes single JPG images. So it will look like this. Come back to OBS Studio, click on plus button to add the JPG version of PPT into OBS Studio. So I'll click plus, this plus sign. It is saying all files or directory. So we have to select all file option, add file option, add file. So it browse where we have kept the JPG version of PPT. So we'll browse, select all the images of that folder, all the images of JPG. Each image is one slide. Then say open, click open. See, the moment we open, here in PPT window, also it is showing the currently selected PPT. Preview window is also showing, and actual window is also showing. So this way we can integrate PPT in OBS Studio. Here we have these arrows to rearrange the order if they are not in proper. We do rearrangement using up and down order. So need to click and say shift up and down. Now we have to press OK button to add all the images with the source. The moment we press OK button, see in OBS Studio, in preview, we have surrounded with red border and the rectangles. This help us to rearrange the window size, and shift also we can shift up, down, left, right, etc. and change the size of this window. So the preview and the actual will look like this. So we have added image slideshow. Now we'll add the keys to forward and backward with that PPTs, because manual option we have selected. What we do for that, we have to go to File menu of OBS Studio, select Setting, then select Hotkeys. Hotkeys will give you the keyboard information. So we have to scroll down and reach to the option called Next Slide and Previous Slide. There are two options, Next Slide and Previous Slide. So we'll reach there. Here we have Next Slide, Previous Slide. We'll click in front of Next Slide and press the arrow which we will have to follow while recording to forward my PPT. Similarly, we'll click in front of Previous and click the arrow that we will press while going to the previous slide. So both the keys setting we have to do. In front of Next Slide window, click and press the arrow. So right arrow has pressed. In previous slide window, we have pressed left arrow. So left and right arrow help us to forward and reverse while recording. After completing this controls with slide through forward and backward arrows, we have to close this window by close option. Window get closed. While closing it, asking to save the configuration which we have modified. So press S to save the changes. Now, currently we have image slideshow with control to forward and reverse by arrow keys. Other two components which are left that we will add. The two components are audio and video, two components. So we'll add audio now. To add audio, come to source, click on plus button. It is asking to save the, it is asking to add the source. List of source will come. Out of them, we'll select audio input capture, which will add the audio. While adding audio, it is also asking the source name, which is optional. If you want to modify, we can add, otherwise simply press OK. Then again press OK by keeping the details default. See, in source window, earlier image slideshow was there. Now audio input capture is also added. So two sources are currently configured with the OBS Studio. Now the third source left is video. This is optional for new content creator. In initial few video recording, audio may be off, do not include, because sometimes we may hesitate to facing the camera. In initial stages, only slideshow and audio is sufficient. Once you are confident during the recording, we may include video. So to add that video, we have to click on plus button of this source. It is showing the list of sources. Out of them, we'll select video capture device source. If we click video capture device source, then the window will come where we have option to modify the source name, or we can keep as it is. Click OK. The moment we press on OK, the camera of the system will open and we started to view the speaker. So press OK. See here in preview window, along with slide, we have speaker window also, video, and with red marker. So we can use this to rechange the size as well as location. For example, it has been shifted in preview window to the rightmost bottom corner. Now, recording, to start the recording, once all this setting is done, we can start the recording by clicking the start recording button. So to start that, we have to use this start recording button as toggle. Currently it is start recording. Once we click, it becomes, same button becomes relabeled as stop recording. See, currently we have configure window at left side, actual window, which will record at the right side. So we say start recording. Now recording has started. Speaker has to speak, deliver the talk as per the contents given on PowerPoint. Use forward arrow to move to the next slide or backward arrow to go to the previous slide. This process is going on till end. Last slide will come. The moment last slide will come, we have to stop the recording. So see here, the button earlier it was start recording is now stop recording. We have to press this button. Recording will stop. Now we'll see where the file has been saved, a recorded file, after the process is finished. To see it, the recorded file, go to OBS Studio, click on File menu, and select the tab called Show Recording. So it will show the recording option. So it has opened the file where the recorded video is saved. Normally it is saved with the date and time. So based on that, we can identify which is the recently, if there are multiple. If you open, it will start to play. But currently we are with Google Classroom. And now we wanted to add this video to the Google Classroom. So we'll come back to Google Classroom from OBS Studio to add that in Classroom. So for that, come to the create option, select the material. In material tab, we will include this through at that ADD button. So click ADD button where we will select the file option out of total 4 available. Then browse, select the file through the device. Video we are going to select. So browse where the video is. So these are video. Select appropriate video and click open. See, the video has come. We can add multiple videos through add more files. If it is single, we can click on upload. So uploading video is going on, which is 1 of 1. The video has been uploaded, included with the materials. Now, other options we need to configure are name of the topic, its description, and scheduling. So we'll link this video with the topic. For example, introduction topic we will select. Then add the appropriate title and description. For example, title is promotional video. Description is this, describe the importance and why to learn this course is the content of that video. What for this required? By going through the description, learner can understand why I have to see this particular material. So the description will help to select or create the interest, etc. Now we'll click post and schedule the time of delivery in student account. So click on post, select schedule option, enter the appropriate date and time. If it is wrong, then it prompt schedule must be in future. Date and time must be in future as compared to current date and time. Then click on schedule. It is scheduling the material. Video we are going to post with the date April 26, 2020 and time 3:40 p.m. See, under introduction topic, we have video schedule, promotional video schedule for 3:40 p.m. The time will come, it will get posted in their students' email that recently teacher has posted this material. They can open and view that video. Simultaneously, in teacher Gmail account also receive the confirmation about every post, the material which was scheduled. Now we'll see how to schedule Word document, which is part of syllabus of the course. So come to the Create tab of classwork, select the material option, then select @file of ADD tab, then select the file. So we'll browse and open the Word file in which the course syllabus is there. So currently IT 3rd SEM. Say open. So that Word file has included. Click upload. It is uploading. The Word file has come with IT 3rd semester. Title entered syllabus. Description is course content. Now we'll post with appropriate date and time through schedule option. April 27, 2020, 11:40 a.m. is the time to schedule Word file posting. So it is scheduling. It has scheduled, see syllabus has scheduled. Earlier promotional video which was scheduled is now posted. Basic images has also been posted. Material posted status is changed with posted with date and schedule it seems with time. Similarly, we can share the notices also with the student through classroom. So for that, we start with create option, go to material. Now we'll go with create. Under create, another create we have, through which document, Word document, slides, worksheet, drawing, Google form can create. So it is initially comes with untitled, notice as untitled. We'll click this untitled document. It will open in the Microsoft Word where we type like notice with date and content. All students are requested to regularly check the emails and submit the assignment in time, followed by teacher sign and name can be the notice. Here option we have is share. We can share this to the all currently connected co-teacher as well as student. Simultaneously it will goes to all the persons which are currently joined. Document name it is asking. notice is the document name entered here. Place save and then done to share. So it will get share. So up till now, we have seen how to create the Google Classroom, how to connect co-teacher and students, how to integrate the materials which consist of syllabus, PowerPoint presentation, audio, video, etc. Now we'll see the teaching and learning process followed by evaluation. So the contents which has been up till now scheduled, posted are in the student's login. So we'll log out the teacher entered into student's login. Student login seems all the material up till now posted by the teachers. So students can open and if it is new, can open and join, start from the invitation. If we reopen the Google Classroom students, it seems the number of classes he has joined with stream, classroom and people option. In teacher option, additional for the tab was there called grade. That grade tab is not there in student classroom. And it seems the material posted by the teachers. So you can click on material to view the details. Like teacher CS has posted promotional video. So if student get click on that video, that post seems the video, we can double click to open. So it has opened and video has started to play. This way the material can be opened. To see the materials come through Google Classroom, student has to go through classwork tab. So it has promotional video, basics of images, basics of courses, and their posted dates. To view, we have to click on the material tab like PPTs. Double click on PPT. PPT has opened. Student can view the PPT. The list of other students which are currently joined. This way, the teaching learning process will continue. Now we'll see evaluation part, through which it is expected to post the evaluation related materials. So we click on create. Under that we have assignment option. We'll click on assignment. For assignment, again need to enter the title of assignment followed by instruction. See, for earlier material, there was title and description. In place of description, we have instruction. Like out of 5 questions, solve any 3. Each question carry equal marks, etc. All those instructions that student has to follow while solving the assignment can enter here in place of description. Right side it is showing the points, means marks, due date, before, on or before what date it should be expected to finish, and this evaluation is linked with which topic. For example, assignment number 1 is the title, description, all questions are compulsory. Submit solved assignment to email teacher@gmail.com. Student has to solve and submit this to this email is the instruction. This Assignment we can post through ADD option. So ADD, select @file, then browse, select the assignment question for DIP for MPhil. Select that file, say open. File has linked up. Now upload that to the classroom. Uploading is in progress. See, the assignment question file is added. Other thing we have to add are due date and schedule. Even point miss marks also we can see. So earlier due date on or before, it should be finished. Submissions should be completed, and we schedule by giving the appropriate points, due date and topic, we can schedule. So assignment is scheduled with appropriate time and date. Click schedule. Assignment is scheduling. Then see the student login. Assignment has scheduled. The date is on that date it will open, and student has to submit. Next type of evaluation is quiz type. So we'll select create, go to quiz assignment. Then enter title, instructions, due date and time. We have to schedule by giving marks as point. Currently it is blank quiz. So we'll open and fill the details about that quiz. If we click on blank quiz, it will open the Google form where we have to enter the questions. So we will prepare the quiz. If we click on writing the question, so we'll either select multiple choice, check boxes, paragraph, short answers, drop down, need to upload the files, multiple choice grid, linear scale, etc. The question given here is how many types of images used in the color is the first question of type multiple choice. So there are choices 1, 2, 3. We can add as many options as we want. So currently 4 options, 0, 1, 2, 3. We need to select the correct option as an answer, because while evaluating, it will match with the answer which is marked as correct. It will match and evaluate. So this is the correct answer. We select the correct answer and give the option. Say done. At the end, say done. Now, to add more similar type of question, we can take advantage of press duplicate. So we'll click duplicate. It will copy the same question. We edit and modify question number 2. See how many grayscale values are there in 8-bit images. There are 4 options. Now we have to select the correct as answer. So second question and give the correct answer by selecting any one and press the done button. Now once the quiz is prepared, we have to send this to also to the students login as per the scheduled format. So if we say send, it is asking via email to, again here, one or multiple, we can select. So based on subject, message, everything we entered and press send. So filled entries like to this students, quiz number as a subject. Now we have to press send. So it has sended. We can check the status in teacher account. The Google Classroom has posted the assignments, of type quiz, assignment number, syllabus, promotional video, basic image, etc. Just the confirmation. Now, recently we have sent the quiz, so we'll close the Google Classroom tab, log out from teacher Gmail account, and check the assignments in students account. So in students account, we got quiz number 1. We have received the material in student Gmail. Other material are also seen in students account. So we'll open that quiz to attempt. We'll start to fill out the form. Select the option fill out Google form. So the quiz will come blank quiz with questions, how many types of images are used in color, how many grayscale values are there in 8-bit, and so on. So we go on attempting the quiz. At the end of quiz, we have to press submit button. So it will give the confirmation your response has been recorded. Now we can close this window. So other assignments students can open and attempt. To do that, need to open and say assignments will open. If it is finished, student has to mark here as mark done, indicating that he has submitted the assignments. So student has to read and solve the assignments and then send solved assignment to teacher email account. This was also one of the material posted through evaluation. So student has to read all these questions, solve one by one, and send as email. So it will mark done, assignment is solved and submitted. Student can submit that file through file option as an attachment, solved assignment. After attachment, the file need to the turn in option. Turn in will link the solved assignment which has been submitted by the students. Again, press turn in twice. Turn in is in progress. It is linking the solved assignment with classroom. It seems the assignment has been submitted, and check to the Google Classrooms. Teacher can check in Google Classroom. Now, the Google Classroom of students, to come into Google Classroom of the students, we have to log out from the students, log in into teacher, open the classroom. So it seems like this. It has due of the schedule, quiz, few descriptive quiz and other types of short answer quiz can also possible to linked up. For that, we need to select quiz assignment option. Fill the details like title, quiz number 2, solve all the question is the instruction. Blank quiz will come. We have to open it Then prepare the quiz. Like, what do you mean by image processing? Is the question. For that, answer is in the forms of short answer or paragraph we can select. So it is short answer. Then we can give the modern answer also here as the correct answer, which will match to the answer submitted by the students. Possible answer for the first question. Then press done button. So right mark will, by updating the points, this question is for how many marks? Second question, describe the image formation process. The type is paragraph. Here also we can give the model answer. Third type is checkbox. So color image is formed by 3 basic colors. The choice yes or no. Checkbox type. So here short answer, paragraph, checkbox type, multiple types of questions we have prepared. Then press the done by selecting the correct answer. We will add one more called MCQs. How many rays are multiplied to form the image? Option are 1, 2, 3. Correct answer is 2. Press done by selecting the correct option. Finally, we'll press send once the quiz is prepared. We'll send to the single or multiple students with subject name as quiz number 2. Message invited to fill out the form. Then press send. Quiz number 2 has been shared, which is scheduled, seeing in teachers login. Now we'll close teacher, open the students to solve this. Quiz number 2 is open in student Gmail account. We'll click file, fill to form. So it will open quiz number 2. Student can solve. The types are paragraph, short answer with different marks, 2 points, 4 points, 1 point, etc. Solve one by one. And at the end of solving all, need to submit with submit button. So it has submitted. Now we'll check the score of this result. View score will open. Here descriptive questions we have given. For wrong question, it will cross mark and give the correct answer also. Similarly for second questions too. Out of 2, because it is wrong, dash dash is written, but third one is correct. So out of 1 is scored. This way, total points 3 out of 9 is showing on the top. It will update as we attempt the questions. I will close the student account, logged out from student, log in to teacher, and check the evaluation grade tab. So in grade tab, teacher classroom, account, see the result of progress. So currently we are in grade tab. Out of 4 stream classroom people grade tab we are currently. Now we'll configured as per the assignment submitted. So we'll return back to the submission tab. See here student name, today's quiz number, its respective marks, tomorrow's assignments, today's quiz are the 3 evaluation test materials we have posted, and as per the attempt, the grade score will update. Like for student, out of 180 marks, if we give for the sole assignment, for example, so it will come 80. This way we can change, like here 75 has come, third 84 has come. The grade sheet of the student has been prepared as per the material or assignments which we have been posted, and the response of the students. Now the few slides left through which we will see the mobile option of Google Classroom. For that we have to download the Google Classroom app from the Play Store. Like go to Play Store, search Google Classroom, install. Downloading is in progress. Press open once it is downloaded. Click on get started. First time we need to do this. Choose Gmail account to linked with Classroom. Press OK. Currently this first one I have selected. Classroom has been started. So it seems the number of classes already configured. So for join, we'll use plus symbol. Here also two options: join class for student, create class for teacher. We can edit, archive, leave the class. Other options. We can edit the course details. MSc Computer Science, name, section, classroom. Stream tab to include the materials. See the classroom. If we reopen, it will seem like this. Appropriate class will select, then the option comes with plus sign to add the material, people, material, string. Three options are there. So we can add the topics or other details, assignment, question, material. It is similar like we configured on the system. Title, description, same information we need to provide. Here it is showing the list of other courses which are currently configured. Now for recording through mobile, we use screen recorder, any open source screen recorder app. In computer, we have used OBS Studio. Instead of that, here screen recorder will help to record the video through mobile phone. And the rest of the things we can configure. Yeah, few minutes will utilize for question answer. Else I'll go for demo of OBS Studio. If there are any questions, we can discuss. If no questions, we'll move to the demo. For demo of OBS Studio, we'll open OBS Studio. Here it is assume already downloaded and installed. This version seems on window, source and control. So through source, first we'll add image slideshow. image slideshow. Click on OK button. Then we'll have to change the slide mode. So my mode is manual. And playback mode loop will change as once. Then say OK. Now to add that slideshow, we'll go with we'll add slide from here, add files, OBS Studio, I'll go with e-content development, this images of studio, this images because I have created them with JPG format. So images is added, press OK. Now we have to have a control called slide move forward and reverse. So we'll go with settings, come to hotkeys, scroll down. Here we have next slide option. I'll click and press my forward arrow, right arrow. Then on previous slide, I'll press left arrow. Here we have choice to give any key of the keyboard. Then I'll say apply. Apply all this setting. Press OK. So configuration is done. Next is audio. So we'll come to audio input capture. Press OK. Again OK. So I got audio and slideshow. Third one is video. See, the moment I say video capture, my camera will on. The camera has started. Camera is on. Press OK. This we can relocate the camera. We can resize even. This way we'll resize. So
Hello,
all
sir. Your screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible. Just a minute. Just a minute, I am resharing. Is it with
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. सर कैमरे वाला पोर्शन प्लीज रिपीट कीजिए सर, वो कुछ थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया सर.
device option?
आवाज नहीं आ रही
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही सर.
May I audible now?
Yes sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So currently we have added slideshow, audio and video. ये दिख रहा है ना अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now we'll start the recording. System is ready to record with audio, video and PPT.
सर थोड़ा सा पीछे से ले लो साहब.
हाँ
थोड़ा वीडियो कैप्चरिंग
हाँ हाँ
वो थोड़ा पीछे से ले लो साहब.
ओके फिर से
हाँ फिर से ले लो.
चलेगा. ओके सी. अभी ये सोर्स फाइल में हमारे पास ऑडियो और इमेज स्लाइड शो है. ओनली 2 sources are there. To add third source, we need to click on plus, select the option video capture. If we click video capture, camera of the system will open. Say okay. See, the camera has started. Now press OK. So in preview, the camera view has come. Using this, we can resize as well as relocate. ठीक है? Is this okay now?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now the system is ready for recording. कंट्रोल में राइट साइड में यहाँ एक बटन है कॉल्ड स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग। जब इसको क्लिक करेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। वही बटन पे लेबल आ जाएगा रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग, वो हमें क्लिक करना है एंड में। सो विल से स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग नाउ। स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग में देखो बटन स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग हो गया। अभी हमारे पास स्लाइड्स हैं, हम एरो से उसको कंट्रोल करने वाले हैं फॉरवर्ड करके। हर एक स्लाइड को एक्सप्लेन करते जाएंगे, लाइक विंडो डाउनलोड कीजिए, सेव कीजिए, देन इंस्टॉलेशन इज गोइंग ऑन एंड सो ऑन। हर एक स्लाइड को हम एक्सप्लेन करते जा रहे हैं। ऑडियो, वीडियो एंड पीपीटी तीनों रिकॉर्डिंग होते जा रही है। जैसे जैसे फॉरवर्ड करेंगे वो रिकॉर्डिंग होते जाएगा। हम बैकवर्ड भी कर सकते हैं बाय लेफ्ट एरो, दोनों एरो पे हमने कंट्रोल रखा है। ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू रहेगी जब तक हम लास्ट स्लाइड पे नहीं आते। जैसे स्लाइड एंड में आ जाएंगे, थैंक यू स्लाइड, तो हमें स्टॉप करना होगा। रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करके हम उसे देख सकते हैं। जितने पीपीटीज रहेंगे उस हिसाब से टाइम ड्यूरेशन वेरी होगा। तो ओबीएस स्टूडियो का ही डेमो के पीपीटीज अभी यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए यूज किए हैं। ठीक है, अभी हम उसको स्टॉप बोल देंगे, रिकॉर्डिंग है स्टॉप। फिर वो रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ गई तो चेक करने के लिए फाइल मेन्यू, शो रिकॉर्डिंग। यहाँ पे रिकॉर्डिंग है डेट वाइज, ईयर वाइज। अभी हमारा आज का डेट है 6 जान, सो दिस इज अवर रिसेंटली क्रिएटेड वीडियो। उसको डबल क्लिक करके हम प्ले करेंगे। सो डबल क्लिक, ये प्ले हो रहा है। सो इस तरीके से हम वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं ओबीएस स्टूडियो में। Still, if there is any question, you can ask.
सर ये सीन और सीन ट्रांजिशन में कुछ नहीं करना है क्या? सेटिंग वेटिंग कुछ? सीन और सीन ट्रांजिशन तो दिख रहा है, उसमें कुछ नहीं करना है क्या?
नहीं नहीं, you have to play with only source control, दो ही विंडो।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Anything else?
No doubt, sir. It's very clear.
Okay, thank you so much. Shall I stop here then?
Hello, sir.
Stop here.
How we
Thank
can add our external mic or external camera?
Or additional?
External means can we add our external camera or for better quality of our video or something?
Yes, we can. We can.
Hello.
हाँ,
Sir, just please will you repeat the hotkeys option?
हॉटकी ऑप्शन बताना है?
हाँ, just once, please.
इमेज स्लाइड शो में हमने हॉटकी ऐड किया था, तो सोर्स में का हम इमेज स्लाइड शो पे डबल क्लिक करेंगे, ये इमेज स्लाइड शो आ गया। हम हॉटकीज कंट्रोल के लिए मैनुअल के लिए ऐड किए थे, तो हमें यहाँ पे मैनुअल ऑप्शन है, ठीक है, मैनुअल कर दिया, ओके कर दिया। फिर भी गो इनटू फाइल मेन्यू, देन सेटिंग्स, एंड सेटिंग्स में हॉटकीज। हॉटकी में हमें फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स दोनों चाहिए, नेक्स्ट और प्रीवियस। तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट आ गया, यहाँ प्रीवियस है। नेक्स्ट के सामने अभी मैंने राइट क्लिक किया था इसलिए राइट है, मैं राइट के बजाय अभी बैक की प्रेस किया तो बैक स्पेस आया। मैं दूसरा डाउन करता हूँ तो डाउन आता है। प्रीवियस में फॉर एग्जांपल अप करता हूँ तो अप आता है। जो भी की आप प्रेस करेंगे वो की कॉन्फ़िगर होगी, और while delivering it will help that same key to forward or reverse the PPT presentation. Is this okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. ये चेंज करने के बाद में हमें अप्लाई करना होगा। लाइक मैं फिर से राइट लेफ्ट लेता हूँ, से अप्लाई, ओके। तो करंटली हम कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं राइट एंड लेफ्ट की से। Anything else?
Hello, sir.
हाँ,
So in audio mixer, it's saying audio input capture. Okay.
pardon?
ऑडिओ इनपुट कॅप्चर, तर तुमचं जे व्हिडिओ दिसतो त्याच्यामध्ये फक्त ऑडिओ इनपुट कॅप्चर असं दिसतं. बट आता मी अलॉंग विथ तुम्ही जे प्रेझेंटेशन देत होते तेव्हा मी पण शेअर केलं, म्हणजे स्क्रीनवरती पाहत होते, तर तिथं ऑडिओ इनपुट कॅप्चर, डेस्कटॉप ऑडिओ वगैरे हे असे ऑप्शन दिसतात. आणि जेव्हा रेकॉर्डिंग केलं तेव्हा व्हॉइस खूप कमी येतो, म्हणजे एकदम आवाज असं रेकॉर्ड होताना.
मग ते व्हॉइसची सेटिंग चेंज करावं लागेल. रेकॉर्डिंग करताना आपल्या सिस्टीमचा जो व्हॉइस आहे ना, तो वॉल्यूम फक्त वाढवा लागेल. ओबीएस थ्रू नाही ते सेटिंग्स.
ओके.
Anything else? Okay, if there is no question, I'll stop here. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you, all of you. Shall I leave?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful presentation on Google Classroom and OBE, which will help for the teaching, learning, and evaluation process. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your guidance.
Thank you.
हेलो।
करावं लागतं. थांबून द्या, काढतो बाकी. अरे थांब 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 थांब, काढू दे ना, काढतो.
सर कंटिन्यू करना है या लीव करना है?